I'm very excited about this book, Neural Networks, because I teach you the foundational principles behind neural networks, including neuron models, activation functions, and network architectures. You learn various training algorithms such as backpropagation, stochastic gradient descent, and advanced optimization methods to improve model performance. I explain how neural networks are applied in diverse fields such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, healthcare diagnostics, finance, and autonomous systems. You also learn advanced topics like convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, generative adversarial networks, and reinforcement learning. You also gain hands-on experience with coding examples and practical tips for implementing neural networks using popular frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. I talked about TensorFlow and PyTorch in several books. They're very interesting, especially in my book, The Large Language Model, because these books are kind of connected to each other. Back in 2017, when I wrote a book for the first time in the world, that was the very first book which was published about the future of artificial intelligence in digital marketing. And then after my book was published and went viral online, many from different countries started copying and republishing the same thing I talked about and writing articles on medium.com and here and there. And then a publisher approached me, wanted me to write a book about AI in digital marketing, one of the biggest publishers and oldest publisher in the world. And this is going to be postgraduate materials at the universities and colleges around the world and will be translated in different languages and study materials. In my book, I provided, back to neural network, I provided case studies and success stories. You learn from real world case studies and success stories where neural networks have made a significant impact, showcasing their potential to revolutionize industries and society. So if you're a professional across different industries looking to leverage AI for innovation purposes, this book helps you with your problem solving. So why should you read this book? Because my book offers a comprehensive yet accessible exploration of neural networks, providing both theoretical insights and practical guidance. Whether you're looking to build a foundational understanding or stay updated on the latest advancements, neural networks equips you with the knowledge and tools to navigate the evolving landscape of AI and harness its transformative potential. It's very useful for those who wish to innovate and work in the field of robotics and search engines. This is a great book and I highly recommend it. Thank you. Get your copy.